I was blocked for 25 years. Today, I breathe clearly and I have been meds-free for a decade. Over 20 days, I shared 20 fixes. Now, I'll connect the dots and show you the anti-inflammatory system behind them. There was never a single magic bullet. The goal was to lower inflammation, calm histamine, and protect the lining of my nose with habits I could live with. I started with food. I cut seed oils that were hidden in crisps and processed snacks that left me puffy and congested. I swapped them for extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols that help stabilize mast cells and keep histamine quieter. I pulled back on beer and other high histamine drinks, which meant fewer 2 a.m. blockages. I ran a dairy audit, not cutting everything, just learning which types I tolerated. I cut down simple carbs that spiked my blood sugar and made nights worse. I set a weekend sugar rule so indulgence didn't drag into the week. I chose real bread with short ingredient lists like flour, water, salt and yeast. Fewer additives meant a calmer gut and a calmer nose. I moved towards whole foods instead of ultra-processed and built alcohol-free stretches that deepened sleep and eased inflammation. Together, these changes formed a Mediterranean pattern built on olive oil, herbs and whole foods. That is why Mediterranean-style eating is linked with fewer allergy and asthma issues. It is a pattern, not a product. Next came natural helpers. Apple cider vinegar gave my digestion a nudge. Oregano is a traditional anti-inflammatory I cycled in. Garlic and other herbs contain sulfur compounds that help modulate inflammation. Kefir is a fermented food that supports the microbiome, which shapes allergy responses. And quercetin with bromelain is a supplement pair often studied as nature's antihistamine. The theme is clear. Polyphenols and probiotics work together as Mediterranean defense. Circadian habits made a difference too. I cut screens earlier in the evening because blue light ruined my sleep and pushed inflammation up. And in the mornings, I stopped hitting snooze. Science shows snoozing keeps histamine circulating. Getting up fast helps flush it. Then I open the curtains, drink water and move so my airways start the day clear. Travel once wrecked me. Now I follow a flight survival protocol. I prep ahead, protect my airways with sprays, time my fluids, equalize early and recover after landing. That simple loop stopped my post-flight flare-ups. Movement sealed the deal. A daily walk calmed my nerves and my nose. Basic strength work, like squats and presses, triggered anti-inflammatory cytokines, and doing them earlier in the day worked best for me. Posture also mattered. Opening my chest and aligning my neck gave my airways more space, so breathing stayed freer. Think of it as training both posture and the body's anti-inflammatory system. None of these were random. Together they built a foundation. Mediterranean foods, natural helpers, circadian habits, travel survival and daily movement. That foundation is why I have stayed meds-free. Here is where healing becomes routine. Tonight, choose one food swap, one evening rule, and a no-snooze morning. Tomorrow, add a 10-minute walk with tall posture. Start the playlist from day one and subscribe for the 90-day series so you do not miss the next step.